The average if-s is used to average a set of numbers if they meet specific criteria. So in this case, we've got our student data, and we want to find an overall view of how our freshman IT majors performed. So we're going to find the students that are IT majors and freshmen and basically get an average of their averages so that we get an overall view of how they performed. Our criteria here are IT majors and freshmen. So in that case, since we have multiple criteria, we are going to use the if-s function for the average. Okay, so our average range, we want to average their final grades, which are the numeric grades. And then we enter our criteria. So our criteria for the first one is IT majors. It doesn't matter which order you include these. So my IT majors are here, and the criteria will be IT. You must use the values that are in the data. So I'm going to use IT. I can't type in information technology. It needs to be IT. The second criteria is freshmen. Those are in our classification column. And again, you want to use FR, which is in the data. You can't type in freshman and expect it to find that. There's no value in that column for freshmen. So we can see that our freshman IT majors on average made around an 80 as the final average.